Enda soroboti runde ni gumoyiga bwokwena na kwebyegwa honyarita ko kolekana litukole gorasumo bagani omumo y'omucyobusongo omubagani Kamel Paka bwasa abantu banyarite kwenye rebyegwa gwetani abantu 35 abo banyarire bakubwaterane yamataso gukora emirimo emiya gati ya wali banyorete byegwa no mu county police commander Francis Kooli edina kangwana gati ya bande ase byego bya rwitne kyombe kemokuru asense ya America muliketo brand saginisena no roboti rwa senchira yoboikerano
Ekyombe kya Ichange Nations Global Organization ICN ritkerego kyabwa togete ebyegwa go kya sabanto 35 nagati yabo mu komanda bwe county ya Kisii Francis Kooli abawaziri be county ya Kisii bakoragwa na Edina Kangwana Dr. Walter Okibo Duke Mainga Echate na boigo Obadia Dominic amono murikiwa mangana moya Crispino Teno gati yabanda bangeni go benyolerete ebyegwa asogo chencha magima y'abantu asorogongorwa Gusii
Letera nenkoro ku Edina Nyabuki Kangwana ngokora se county government ya Kisii muno mo minister wa administration lakini nainde ninganjite ko kolega asiyo ko kwanya baminto ase Gusii na ase Kenya rero twatwara bagen baru ase nseri ya America basa koruchi award thanks to momro mitoko Dominic Obadia obwenete ko we award in the United States akabasaba banyare goza
ameweza kunifanya niwe ambassador kwa kikundi ambacho kinajulikana kama ICN duniani, na kazi ambayo ninafanya ni kushughulikia na kusaidia wale ambao wasiojiweza katika jamii. Kitu ambacho ningependa kuambia Wakenya wenzangu, tusaidiane kama Wakenya, tuinuane kama Wakenya kwa sababu sisi wote ni watoto wa Mungu.
Ruben West oyoro murigerera bene bwe kyombe kya ICN norogongorwa Africa niga batogete ababuya bonsi nakobabori abantu bonsi basangerekanete aso mubagani o Kamel Park wesoke na gochencha magima y'abantu batari kwenyara ase binyoro byaito.
The individuals that we went through and we vetted were highly qualified for these awards. As a matter of fact, these awards have been given out to presidents, first ladies, prime ministers, kings, you name it, across the world. But when we looked at the information that was provided to us by the awards committee, from the information, the people that submitted their bios and their body of work, we felt like they may not have the same title, but they're certainly the same quality.
Obadia Dominic oyochorete bunagati y'abambassador ba ICN nigago kerete getambo kerekyo na boigo boraibwe kyombekyo aso wesokia na kwirogo konya na boigo ko baebyegwa abanyankonga bwo.
I'm so grateful that I've been honored to serve the globe, serving humanity. Service to God is never wasted a moment, and service to God is a calling.
To me and to the team that have received awards today, it's a seed that has been planted and a challenge to do better. Because we've been told it's in service that we find ourselves, it's in service that we glorify God.
Brian Sagini Isena.